my God, it's Kenzie. Kenzie. It's Kenzie Symone.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenzie Symone, and welcome back to another video, y'all. It's me and Sophie here. She is in her little carrier outfit thing. Whoa, wrong way. Because guess what, y'all? We are moving. Yes, y'all, we are moving. Sophie and I are moving. And so today I'm just gonna take y'all around to a few different apartments that I'm looking at. Don't really know where exactly we're living just yet, but we will find out very, very soon. So stay tuned so that y'all can see all the different apartments that we look at on our trip. Drop down below in the comments where you think we are moving to. What city are we moving to? Let me know where you think. Alrighty, I'll see y'all in the first apartment. Alright, y'all, so this is the very first apartment. This is the kitchen with, of course, all the stainless steel appliances, living room area. This is coat closet. And unit washer and dryer. So there is no pantry, but as y'all can see, there's plenty of storage everywhere. So that shouldn't present a problem. There is a balcony. They do have alarm systems. And this is the, wow. Okay, so this is the bathroom. We can enter through the closet or through the main way. They do have some more storage right here. And Sophie here. Garden tub. And then this closet is a nice, very nice size. And the bedroom with wood floors, okay. And it's just a plain square. So overall, this one's okay. The price is a little steep for the space, but they do have quite a few amenities. They have a dog park. They've got doggy excited about the dog park. They got a dog park. They got a dog wash area. They got, on the second floor, she said somebody's looking some dog treats. I don't know, package lockers, pool, bicycle storage, 24-hour fitness, club room, yoga, co-working space, which could be really great since I do work from home. Yeah. And so overall, I'll probably give this one, my first one, so I'll say a 7, right? It's pretty average. I'm not in love with it. It is in a pretty good location. It seems like it's pretty walkable over here. I did walk over here from one of like the trendy places that it looks like a lot of people go to. I did run into quite a few colored folks. So I know that there's some black people that live in here, which, you know, I love my people, want to be around some of my people. And I met also this really nice white couple that also had a dog. So yeah, this is number 1, 7 out of 10. We're gonna see what else we got on here today. All right, y'all, so I'm already liking this one better. The amenities didn't look as nice, but the space in here is already so much bigger. I do not like these brown cabinets. However, the space, the room is so much bigger. You've got, wow. Oh, that's a closet. So there's no closet in the room, okay. I do not like that, but here's the closet. So I guess there's no walk-in closet. They only have this one, which is very interesting. Washer and dryer. And the living and dining space. course, even. The balcony again. These brown cabinets I cannot get with, but the space in here I really do like. And yeah. Okay, this one probably, I think I like this one a little bit more than the other one. Now, it is very close to the other one, so also very walkable area. But overall, it's like a lot of shelving. There's not a lot of hidden storage in here, which I don't like too much, but there is a lot of space, which I do like. So I don't know, I'll probably give this one also maybe a 7 out of 10 just because of the lack of storage, as well as the colors in here. I don't like that. And the amenities, I didn't like them as much. However, the space in here, I do love. So let's keep going. See y'all, this just made it go from a 7 to a 9. Look at this view, y'all. It is literally, let me try to turn the brightness down a little bit. It's literally a gorgeous view of the city right here on their rooftop. So I don't know, y'all. It might be a 9 out of 10. We will continue to look, but I'm really liking this so far. Alrighty, let's see what else we got. I like the, it's almost like a dark mocha color on there. So this is gonna be the laundry room. That would be where the study is.
Yes.
Okay.
And it'd be bigger, and then your closet would go back further.
Okay.
So it's similar. I can also send you a video of the exact one.
Okay, that'll be perfect.
They will have the fans in both the living room and the bedroom as well, and the overhead lighting, the blinds will be on the windows also.
Nice. All right, y'all. So I didn't say a lot about that last one just because of 2 different reasons. The first one was because the leasing agent did go with me on that one, so I wasn't talking a lot in that video. But second, because I just don't really think that one was home either. It was just very, almost like sterile, and it just didn't feel homey. There was a flyer that like talked about celebrating rednecks. I was like, yeah, I don't know about this. So we're gonna head on to the next place. I don't think that this one was it, y'all. I really think that I may have been a little bit ambitious today. I got up at 6:30 this morning. I got here around 11. I've seen 3 apartments already. I'm dog tired, and I still got 2 more to see after this, and I got 2 appointments this evening, and I'm going to dinner with one of my agents that live in the state that I'm moving to, the city that I'm moving to. So yeah, I was like really ambitious today. I really need a nap. I'm tired. But yeah, we still gonna keep looking. Like I said, we got 2 more to do. I'm gonna drive around this little bit area of town a little bit, kind of just see how it's feeling, what it's looking like, yada yada yada. Then we're gonna see the last 2, and then we're going to head on up to my friend's house, because that's where I'm gonna be staying for the next couple of days. I'm trying to open up this candy because I'm a little bit hungry. But yeah, here we go on to the next place. Thermostat?
Yes.
Okay.
And you also have USB ports in your kitchen too.
Nice.
And in your bedroom.
That's right past you. So, closet, coffee nook. It comes with the chalkboard. And then this is the kitchen with the island that comes with it. Not a lot of space for a disc. Come on, Sophie. Barn doors are cool though. Shower, washer and dryer. This is considered the closet, aka they say it's also a dressing room, bathroom. And then this barn door closes, so it's the closet. And this barn door slides. More storage. What's up, beautiful people? It is the next day. It's only me here by myself now because, you know, Sophie is not here. But we are on day 2 of viewing apartments. Yeah, so the first one, it's in a totally different part of town, which was an hour away from where I'm staying. So we are about 3 minutes away from arriving, and we will just get in here and see what it's looking like. I think my biggest thing so far has been trying to figure out the different parts of town, because the area, the state, the city that I'm moving to, there's so many cool pockets that you can live in, and it's just like figuring out which one works best for you and what you want out of the city. For me, I want something that's pretty walkable or easily accessible to like all the different stuff that the city has to offer. Whoa, I'm shaking. All the different stuff that the city has to offer, because I do believe that you know, especially since I work from home, I'm not getting out to an office all the time. So I'm gonna have to really be intentional about, you know, taking advantage of the city. And so I want to make sure that I'm somewhere that's close enough for me to be able to do that. It seems kind of like, as I'm riding around, it seems almost like everything's within like a 5, 10, max 15-minute ride from everything. So it's really just like figuring out which one feels the most like home. So let's go ahead and jump into day 2 of apartment hunting.
What's your price range?
I want to stay around 13, 14.
14. Only that 2-bedroom is 1400. The one in September also. 1510.
Okay.
So the one bedroom is available September 14th.
So this one doesn't have, or is this considered the pantry?
That cabinetry wall right there is
Okay.
considered your pantry.
Got
This
it,
is
got
more
it.
storage for the
Laundry.
either anything or just the laundry in general.
Got it. Perfect. It's a lot of space in here.